I heard earlier today that you can't use Pear Deck to make interactive slides on an iPad, and I'm just going to show you that you can. You cannot open up your presentation in the Slides app. So I just opened up the Slides app on my iPad. This is not where you're going to do it. You're going to either open up Chrome or Safari and put your browser into desktop mode. So I'm going to start with Safari first. Now I'm not 100% sure how you're going to get into desktop mode on your iPad, but this is what works for me. I'm going to go ahead in the address bar and type in slides.google.com. And it looks like it's opening up in desktop mode already, but if I try to open my presentation, trust me, I've done this a bunch of times today, it tries to kick me into the app. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the share arrow at the top, a little piece of paper with an arrow sticking out, and then I'm going to scroll over into the bottom set of icons until I see request desktop site, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to open up a brand new presentation. And I already have Pear Deck installed from my Mac, so I don't have to reinstall it, but I'm sure you can just search for add-ons like you normally would, because I think I've tried it before and it works. So I'm going to click on add-ons, and I'm going to click on Pear Deck, and then open up Pear Deck add-on, and it's going to open up for me like it should. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in a couple interactive slides. So we'll do a drawing slide, and you can see Pear Deck doing its thing. And I'll go ahead and do, let's see, a critical thinking. Maybe we'll do the person with the little thinking cloud, thinking bubble, the wonder cloud. And what else? Let's do end of lesson. I don't know, how about a drawing slide? I kind of like those drawing slides. I'm a math teacher. I really like the drawing slides. But everything works. Maybe we'll throw in a text slide just to prove it. Now the only issue when you're trying to work in desktop mode in Google Slides is that it's a big pain to edit everything, and the keyboard wants to pop up all the time and get in the way if you're trying to edit things. So if I click on this little cloud person and I try to grab that cloud, my keyboard's in the way, and then I try to, like, I don't know, get that cloud going, and the keyboard popped up again, and I just can't grab it and shrink it. So once you get all your interactive slides in using desktop mode, then you're going to want to actually go to the app, and you'll see it. There it is. It popped up. That's the one I just made. And there's all my interactive slides at the bottom. And now I can easily adjust things the way I want them to while I'm in the app. So it is a pain to edit your Google Slides graphics and things like that in desktop mode, but you can add your interactive slides there. So I would just kind of go back and forth. Think about how many interactive slides I want, add them all in, and then in the actual iPad app, I would open up my presentation to tweak it. Now it also works in the Chrome app. Now I have issues when I'm trying to go to slides.google.com or docs.google.com and put my Chrome browser in the desktop mode. It like fights me on it and it wants to open up the app. So this is the best way that I have found. I first need to have a search bar in order to request desktop site, and I'm just going to do something goofy. I'm just going to Google, just so I don't know, get it. I don't know why, but it just works. So I'm going to go ahead and request desktop site. It's going to allow me to do it now. And now I am in desktop mode, and I am going to type in slides.google.com. If I try to put slides.google.com directly in my address bar, it will not let me open in desktop mode. If you can do it, great, but for some reason it fights me and it wants to force open the app. So far, I put my browser into desktop mode, and then I typed in slides.google.com, and then I'm going to click on the top link that says docs.google.com presentation. And then that's going to put me in desktop mode in Google Slides, and I can open up the presentation that I was just in and then add some more interactive slides if I want. So go to add-ons. Guess I'm getting impatient here. Add-ons, Pear Deck, open Pear Deck add-on, and it'll do its thing. And there, if I want to, I can add some more interactive slides. So just pick another random one. And then once I have all of my interactive slides set up, I'm going to tweak them and edit them in my Google app. I mean my Slides app on my iPad. There you go.